Hello everybody, this is Jeff at eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2024 Kia EV9 vehicles. And on a custom fit part like this, I do recommend for you to go to our website, use the fit guide, put in your model vehicle, and it'll show if this will work for your application. Now this harness here provides the 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately. And this kit does connect very quickly and easily. There's no cutting or splicing of wires. All you have to do is locate your connection points behind the tail lights. And then you'll plug in these connectors, one on each side, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Ground your white wire here. And then you'll run your power wire here to your vehicle's battery. Now it does include this black box here, which is a tail light converter, and that's to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a power module, that's why it'll connect directly to the battery to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. Now this is constructed using SMT technology, which is surface mount technology, gives you more consistent, reliable performance. It'll maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat. Also ensures superior operation in rough road conditions. Also, if you notice, the dust cap here is included. And what you'll do with that, you can just attach that to your 4-way. And then when you're not using it or not plugged in, go ahead and take your cap, put that over there, and it'll protect the terminals from the elements or from any damage. A few specs on this kit. The maximum amperage for the stop and turn lights is 5 amps per circuit. For the tail lights is 7.5 amps per circuit. It does come with this nice set of instructions that will describe where your connection points are and how it all goes together. But where these parts are used, we're just going to go briefly through this. So when you go to install this, you'll go to the rear of your vehicle, find your connection points, which will be behind the tail lights. Take your driver's T-connector right here. The driver's side will have the yellow wire in it, and you unplug it and then plug this into the behind the tail lights. Take your other T-connector that has the length of green wire, that's your passenger side, plug this in. Once those are all plugged in, what you'll want to do is you have this white wire with the eyelet on it. You want to connect that to a good clean ground if there's one nearby. If not, they do give you a grounding screw to make your own ground. And then this black box has a little weight to it, so you don't want it bouncing around. You'll take this piece of double-face tape, put it on there, attach it to a nice flat surface. Even has a little tab on here with a hole if you want to put a screw through there. Once that's all attached, then what you'll do is run your 4-way out towards the back, and your last wire to attach is your power wire. So this power wire right here will need to run to the front of your vehicle, to the vehicle's battery, and they give you this length of wire and connectors to use. So what you'll do is put a connector on this power wire, connect it to one end of this wire, and then run this wire up to the front. Now when you get to the battery, you don't want to connect this directly to the battery. You want to run it through the inline fuse holder. So take a butt connector, connect it to one side of the fuse holder, just like that. And then on the other side of the fuse holder, take the eyelet connector, connect it, and then connect that to the battery. And then before you're ready to go, take your 10 amp fuse, install it into your inline fuse holder, put your cap over there, and your system will be all ready to go. Now if you notice, they do include some extra cable ties to take up any slack in the wiring. But that's going to do it for the review on this Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.